Are you tired of getting stopped out of every single trade? If you're anything like me, you suffered through the fact that every single time you entered a trade, price would just kiss your stop loss and then go in your direction. In this video, I'm going to give you a free tool that is going to change your life and keep you from getting stopped out. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable. I'm going to try to make this a 2-minute tutorial, so let's get into the charts. So as you guys know, I really enjoy scalping on the 1-minute time frame. I find that price action makes higher highs and higher lows consistently. If I can get into a nice trend, I can get multiple trades in my small trading session pre-market open. But if you have free time, you can trade all day. The way that I usually trade is making a trend line, looking at higher highs and higher lows, and when price breaks that trend line, I start trading the new trend. This happens every single time and time again. Price makes a trend, price breaks the trend, and the smaller the time frame, the shorter the trends. Downtrend, uptrend much longer, small downtrend, small uptrend, small downtrend. On a higher time frame, these trends are much bigger, but that's besides the point. We're talking about 1-minute scalping and how and where to put your stop loss. So as price starts forming a trend and you get rejections like this perfect evening doji star, meaning that it had a big candle up, a doji, and a candle down. This is a perfect price action candle formation, which I talked about in a previous video. Setting your entry here, the normal way that people do it is stop loss just above the price with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That doesn't work all the time. Sometimes price comes back up, smacks your stop loss, and then goes in that direction, like it did right here. If you entered in on that candle and set your stop loss at the end of that wick, I mean, you got your 1 to 2, but let's say your take profit was a little bit bigger. You got stopped out and then price went to your direction. Let me show you how you can avoid all of this tragedy. Click on the indicators tab and type in ATR Bands. It's going to be the first option, ATR Bands by The Trade Floor, a company that I helped found. It's a free tool for everybody to use. And as you can see, it is the highest rated. It's because it's the best. Add it to your favorites and add it to your chart. So we released the ATR Bands to the public for free just because it's a great tool to have. But incoming sales pitch, watch out. We have way more indicators than the ATR bands. We have the 3-line strike indicator that shows you this specific candle formation, but we also have the Stairmaster indicator, brute force indicator, the Outback indicator, the Happy Trail indicator, and the DeLorean indicator. Every single one of these indicators comes with a video with step-by-step rule-based strategies, as well as thousands upon thousands upon thousands of back-tested trades with TradingView screenshots and the win-loss ratio of every single session. We give you everything that you need. So if you don't have a strategy yet that's working for you, it might be worth spending the 20 GBP to get in for a month, to get one of these strategies and start working on it, to get access to all of these indicators. If not that, then to just simply take advantage for 1 month of the TTF roadmap, which gives you step-by-step instructions on how to go from sucking to becoming a profitable trader. And we give you a free risk calculator with your membership that looks like this, that quickly enters trades for you just by clicking 2 buttons, risking 1% of your account balance with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, estimating your cash risk on that account, clicking buy or sell, and it immediately puts your stop loss and your take profit in place. Then you just click send order. That thing comes with membership for free and you get to keep it after you leave. You also get access to the world's greatest trading journal that I've ever seen. But if you don't want to do any of that, that's fine with me. But you should use the free ATR bands that we have for you. Now, what I want you to do is adjust the settings a little bit. In the inputs, I want you to change the ATR band scale factor. ATR stands for average true range. So in any given time of day, there's an average range that price will most likely move within that small section or that small candle. I find it best to set your ATR bands at 1.5, meaning 1 is the actual average true range and 1.5 is 1.5 times that average true range. So zooming into this specific example, having your stop loss at that wick right there, if you would have set your stop loss at 1.5 times the average true range, you would have not gotten stopped out, and you can use this every single time that price rejects a trend line, or just simply makes a higher high and a higher low. Price rejection, stop loss ATR, another rejection with a dragonfly doji, enter in along, 1.5 ATR, another rejection, 1.5 ATR. This will save you quite a bit of heartache, because if you enter a trade and you do not know where to put your stop loss, like most people don't, or they don't do it at all, this is a really good indication, because if price goes against that 1.5 times the average true range, it's most likely going to go the opposite direction, meaning that you were wrong about your entry. I'd rather take a 1% loss instead of the strategy that most people use, and it's called hope. I hope the price goes back in my direction. It's dumb. If you entered, it goes opposite 1.5 ATR, you were wrong. Trend is going the other way. Now, if you weren't familiar with the evening star doji formation that I talked about right here, and you want to use these candle formations for all of your entries, check out this video right here. If you guys got some value out of this video and you like the way that I teach, make sure you're dropping a like and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.